Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I found myself in a vicious cycle of buying a new non-stick frying pan every few months. So I finally decided that I was going to buy something of much higher quality. I went with these 8 and 10-inch frying pans by Calphalon. These are the oil-infused ceramic. I am so pleased with how well these perform. I am in the kitchen several times a day cooking, and not only are they great and even to cook with, but they also make for easy cleanup. Since the food just slides around on it so easily, I'm able to just wipe them quickly down with some soap and a rag and rinse them off, and they are clean. I have loved using these, and they have lasted much longer than my other frying pans. So if you're ready for some pans that are long-lasting and non-stick, then definitely check out these Calphalon frying pans. And that's my point of view.